everybody, we're making an Among Us video on Paleo Jimbo.
Paleo Jimbo TV.
We're going to pick our characters. We've got orange, gold, green, and robot. Who do you want to be? You get to pick two. You want to be these two? And I'll be these two. And these are for when they die. But we've got no ghost and robot. So that's going to be bad. Not very bad. Because the ghost is not going to appear up so much. Okay, so orange.
Paleo Jimbo. Yee!
What? What?
Paleo Jimbo. What is it?
What is it? What am I doing?
Are we gonna play the game?
Yes.
Forever.
Not forever, doofus. Well, you're not a doofus. You're just acting like one. Okay, ready to play? Okay, so orange and gold are in the same room. Green and gold hasn't appeared yet. Shh. I'm saying, green and black, green and robot hasn't appeared.
Didn't I saw that?
Okay, so an emergency meeting started because gold was dead. Okay, so now, time to vote.
I voted for.
Wait, first let me ask the people, who would you vote for? Would you vote for orange, robot, or green?
I vote for him. That was the idiot. Hammer.
Put it in the comments below. Okay?
We want him.
Stop. Okay, so now I'm going to vote for green. Green was not the imposter. He's dead. Okay, so you got these two guys, and I've got orange. So who do we think the imposter is? Now.
I vote for him.
Who do you think the imposter is now? No, I'm just asking you guys. Who do you think the imposter is? It's not voting time. Who do you think it is now?
Buddy.
Okay, so he pressed the button. So so I vote for him.
I vote for him.
So nothing happened. And then I just killed him. It was orange. The imposter. Okay, and here's all of them dead.
Dead.
Oh, bye-bye. Well, bye.
Bye.